Welcome to P&S Machining and Fabrication's virtual tour. Our goal is to provide beneficial insight to services we offer. P&S appreciates your time and consideration. In 2008, we constructed our modern 50,000 square foot facility to streamline production flow throughout the manufacturing process. Located in Burlington, North Carolina, P&S is the largest contract manufacturer in the region. Since 1965, P&S has continuously expanded operations to better serve our customer base. P&S Machining and Fabrication is proudly ISO 9001 registered and offers these diversified services, which include CNC machining, CNC turning, sheet metal fabrication including CNC punching, CNC forming, robotic forming, laser cutting, and power paint. P&S is continuously investing in the latest technology, offering our customers a manufacturing advantage. Here at P&S, we take time to say thank you to our men and women in uniform who so bravely serve our great nation. P&S is proud to supply products made in America. We look forward to serving you.